Turn on notifications on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, open the app, move to the profile. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Move on the circle which is at right top corner, scroll this bar, click on notifications here. When you have to turn it on, this type of blue color will appear here. In this way, you can turn on notifications on MyFitnessPal app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.